guys, gals, friends, family, in-laws, and outlaws. Welcome back to the garage. Shaggy's off from Garage here, and I am Shaggy. Hey, I was running across some issues I wanted to share with you guys. If you guys have ever built any NASCAR kits or have any NASCAR kits laying around, those things come with some really cool tires. You can use them for drag slicks, or you can use them for NASCAR. Of course, you can use them for NASCAR because that's what they are. You can use them for street stock vehicles. You can use them for just about any kind of vehicle you want, and they're decent sized tires. And but the issue with the NASCAR tires is when you get them, they look like this. They got this goofy little tag on here, and it's a lot of rubber flash on there. I found out a way to get rid of that stuff. Let me show you guys how I handle this situation. Let me get you down to tilt you down a little bit. Well, first of all, what I do is I take my nippers and I get rid of that flash. There. Get rid of that. And if you guys have ever installed a TV, mount to the wall TV, you got a bunch of this stuff laying around. These extra bolts and little stuff like that, and it comes with a bunch of different like washers and different kind of fittings, and you get the idea. Just a bunch of extra parts. What I decided to do is make me a sander. What I do is you get you a bolt like this. Take a couple of those little pieces, little washer things, I guess you could say. Get your find a couple that fits your NASCAR tire that you can sandwich it in there with that. Then you take a couple of nuts. Yeah. You get them on there and get them tight. Hang on, guys. I'm trying to do this quick. Not focusing, I'm sorry. But then, of course, takes a little bit. Not too long, though. And you get it all nice and snug. And then you take that right there, and you put it in this right here. Like that. See, when you're spinning it, pretty much straight around. Then you get you well, it's what I like to use. A lot of people use sandpaper, but I like using this here right here. I'll show you how this works. You gotta make sure it's tight, though. So yeah, then you get it. Then you get your. See if I can get this in focus here. Yeah, too much stuff going on in the background. Just a second, guys. There, maybe that'll work. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, you just keep at it, keep sanding, keep grinding, and you'll get there. It doesn't take too long to get to the. And the thing I like about this is it's uniform and even. You don't have to sit there with a piece of sandpaper and. Of course, the file is much rougher than the sandpaper. It doesn't take near as long to get it done. And then when you're ready for you can go as long as you want. And see, there we have it. Sanded tire. I think it looks pretty good. Let me let me get this thing apart and show you what it looks like. Hang on just a second. Oof. So yeah. We just get rid of these, bolts and nuts and all that stuff. Just a second, I get all this off of here to show you guys exactly what it looks like. Hopefully it won't take too long. Come on. So yeah, and it's a very universal deal. You can do a lot of tires with this thing. But yeah, see here, guys. See how it turns out? Looks like a race used tire. And you can go with, I mean, you can keep going as far as you want. I've done a couple other tires already. So, yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. What you guys think? Let me know in the comments. If you like that idea, let me know. If you don't, let me know. And here, look, I made a full set. So yeah, you can go as far with it as you want to. I like it. It looks pretty cool. Pretty realistic, I think. So anyway, guys, that's my little tip for the day. If you like it, please leave me a comment. And don't forget to drop a like and a share and a thumbs up and all that good stuff. And hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And we will see you guys on the next one. And remember, keep the stash growing and your airburst blowing. See you next time.